Hey there. So we've talked about, we've explained what augmented reality and virtual reality are through our little brief introduction. We've talked about the assignment. We've walked through the template you will be making a copy of, the HyperDoc, that you'll make a copy of and fill out. And then we also looked at an example that can also be found on Moodle. So let's look at the scoring rubric. You get 2.5 points for giving a brief description of your application. I believe it's actually supposed to be a 50-word minimum. Let me fix that. You get 2.5 points for doing a 50-word minimum description of your application, and it should be detailed enough that the reader can understand what the app is and how it's used. So, designing coherent instruction, I will be judging this from your brief activity. If you want to get all the points, you need to go for this proficient column right here. It is going to be scaled to the rubric. Setting instructional outcomes, I will find evidence of this in your HyperDoc at the learning outcomes section. So, if you want to get all points, hit the proficient. And designing student assessments will be found in the assessment section. That's 2.5 points. And again, if you're trying to get them all, hit the proficient column. Exact same thing in virtual reality. Have a brief description of your application. I'm finding evidence of designing coherent instruction inside of your description of learning activities. Finding evidence of your ability to set instructional outcomes in the learning outcomes section. And I'm finding evidence of your ability to design student assessments in the assessment section of the HyperDoc. And then, as always, 5 points for taking a screenshot of your course portfolio, a screenshot of your HyperDoc and linking it on your course portfolio. So, as always, if you have any questions, let me know and have a good one.